Hi lovelies, so today I am doing a little tutorial on how to use my decals, or any decals. These are just mine that I've used and will be sort of creating a shop with at some point, who knows when. I just really like these, super pretty, just thought you might like to see them. Anyway, what we are going to need is starting off with a lighter colour, because these are, I think, I don't know if I printed these on a white background or a clear background for these decals. I think they're possibly on a white one, but we're starting off with a light base. I find the easiest way to apply a decal to a nail is using a stamper. So you've cut out your bit that you want. Yeah, this is printed on white, which is why I've done the white background. But actually, it was sort of like... anyway, I digress. So I'm just dabbing water onto the back of this decal, rather than flooding it in, I don't submerge them. I find this is the easiest way. So you're just patting the water onto the back of it until it's ready to just slide away, and then you can apply it onto the nail using the stamper, which I find you just have a little bit more control. So yeah, you probably have to wait about 20 seconds. Make sure you're getting it wet enough, and then it should slide away like that. So try not to be too impatient. Dab a little bit of the water off, to be fair, but look, you can see there we have it. It allows you to see exactly where you're going to put it on the nail, because you've got it on the stamper, and voila. And then just sort of push it in place very gently though, because you don't want to break the decal. And then you would file away like the bits that go over the side, and seal it with either a base coat or top coat, if that's it, if you finished. I haven't finished the design, so I've done a base coat, and I am going round it just to sort of make the design. Of course, I've gone off shot. What an absolute... I'm going round it with my hollow gel pen, and honestly, didn't look like it was off screen. So then we're just gonna do the same again, just to show you again. Dabbing, 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 dabbing. And you just got to be patient enough, wait for it to go off. And then it would slide away. Oh, I was going to say like so, but clearly we're waiting just a little bit longer, a little bit longer, a little bit longer. But if you try and do it too soon, it's going to tear the decal, so you've got to give it the time. But there you go, all in one piece. Once again, we can see it through the stamper, and then pop on the nail. Lovely jubbly. So yeah, like I say, you can seal this in with a base coat, top coat, and that's really all there is to it for decals. Bit of water. Now I think I am just topping, few dots, few swirls actually today. Ooh, swirls, not dots. What am I going on with? Honestly, I'm doing a few voiceovers in a row, and I've just gone completely crazy this week, because it's just like cabin fever, because we've had a sickness bug, and all I want to do is please go back to work. Please let me go back to work. let me be able to do some nails as well. Like, hope everybody is having a better time than me, because you've got to be. So yeah, now we're going to seal it in with a base coat and then a top coat, I believe. I only do this on this particular person's nails, Shirley, because she likes to clean a lot. So I just sort of like to make them a bit more hard wearing than normally I would just do a top coat. But yeah, for her nails I do base coat and a top coat, just to ensure they stay intact. But thank you for watching. I hope you found it informative and not too boring. I've got a fair few more coming. Autumn nails, Wednesday nails, lots of pumpkins coming too. Scary stuff. No, not scary stuff. Cute Halloween stuff, you know me. But here we have the 2 nice decals. Thank you. Bye.